Hi everyone. I had a good question today regarding homework one, and a student wanted to know how to put the information on tabs. Homework one is you telling me about yourself, your hobbies, your interests, whatever you want to share. And the student was wondering how to just kind of improve the interface with multiple tabs. And this is not something I typically cover in this class, but this is a control that's easy to use. It's a really good idea to use it in this homework assignment and a nice enhancement. You can take it or leave it, but I'll just show you how to use it in case it's something that interests you. I have a form here with an exit button. We'll put the tab control right above the exit button. So we have kind of a big control. I'll stretch it out to take up most of the form. But the tab control is in the toolbox, but it's in the containers section. You can see this here. I have to expand the containers. And you can see the tab control right there. So I'm going to plop one on my form, and I'm going to stretch it out. Okay. So it starts you out with 2 pages on your tab control, and I can show you how to change their text properties so we can have them say what we want to say, and even add another page to the tab control. So what I'm going to do is go into my properties, and for the tab control, we're looking for kind of at the bottom. You know what? Just to let you know, I did organize this. I like an alphabetical. Do you see the little A to Z there? I like an alphabetical organization. It's not the default, but I like my properties alphabetized. I probably said that in another video. But okay, so here we have the tab pages property. This is called a collection, and a collection in C# is just like what it is in the real world. It's a bunch of things together. Okay, so the tab pages are kind of all stored together as a collection, and it makes sense because they're all kind of similar. So I'm going to click on this here and the ellipsis. And so here we have tab page 1, and I can change its text property right here. So let's say maybe I want this to be like my work information, and I'll say something about Moraine Valley. And then tab page 2, I will say, maybe I'll put something about my pets, my cats, okay? And then how about a third page? I can add it while I'm in here. I'll just go to add right there, and then for tab page 3, I can say, maybe something like hobbies, okay? So you can see the titles or the text properties have been changed instantaneously, and there's nothing on the tabs yet. And I mean, at this point, you're home free. I just start dragging and dropping picture boxes, labels, whatever, onto each tab. I think that if there's any awkwardness with the tab control, it's how to tell what's selected at any given time. So I want you to look at this. You can see that the entire tab control is highlighted. Like with these, this is how you tell when something is selected, a control is selected. You see these white dots around the perimeter, okay? And you can see the white dots around the whole thing, including the tabs. The whole thing is selected. The tab control on the whole is selected. Now, if I want to select one tab or one page, like the pets, for example, I'm going to click on that tab, and then right below it, now just that page is selected, okay? And let's say I want to color that particular page, the pets page. I can just go to, like if you were coloring the form, I'll change the background property. I'm noticing the default color on these is the transparent, but I'm going to change that to just maybe a pastel or something. Okay, and then maybe I want to change the work one. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and then down below, okay, you click the tab first and then the page. See, do you see how the highlight changes? Now just this part is selected. So just that one page is selected. So let's say I want to change that back color to something, maybe something kind of greenish to go with Moraine Valley. Okay, so, and you can do the same with the hobbies page. Again, click on it once, click below it to select that one page. Okay, so let's get back to adding things. So this is the work page. I wanted to tell people about Moraine Valley. So, I'm like I said, I'm home free. I'll just plop a picture box on here. And now it's just like designing a form. I'll choose an image. I have some images already here. Where is it? Project pics. There it is. Okay, there's the school. And clicking OK. Okay, and I'm a stickler about stretching your images so we can actually see them. Like I would literally have a student turn this in like this, where I'm just seeing this guy. It really irks me. Okay, so let's go ahead and stretch the image. That looks much better. Okay, and then I can even, put a label here explaining about the college and all that. Okay, and then for the pets, again, just clicking that tab. Now clicking the bottom to select that, and then just throw another picture box on here. Okay, and I'll go to, I'm going to import. There they are. Okay, and I will stretch that. Oh, okay, I wasn't, okay, you know what, it's very strange how that came in. It was, whatever. Okay, so there you have it. And as I said, you can take it or leave it. No, notice how I left the exit button on the outside. You don't want to put that on a tab. You want it to be always exposed so the user has a way out and they don't have to go digging for it. But this is a really nice way to organize. I guess I can run it real quickly before I end the video, and you can see the way this operates. Okay, so yeah, here you can see my tabs. And the user gets to just shuffle through them. Very nice way to organize the information, especially if you have a lot of information that you want to share. So there you have it.